how to add birthdays on Android calendar on Android phone. Hello everyone, this is a Hazel here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, you just have to go to the calendar, and here you just have to tap on this add icon, and then here you have to go to the birthday sections, and you just have to type the name of the person, and here on Wayne you can just select the date or choose the date and tap on OK. After that, for reminder, here you can choose various options like before 3 days reminder and on that day reminder and tap on OK. You can also import it from contacts. For that, you just have to tap on import from contacts and make sure that the birthdays you have added to the contacts as well in order to import from contacts. Thanks for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and hit the bell for the updates. That's all for now, and I'll catch you in the next one.